So this equation 9x square plus 28x plus 25 will have the same roots as this 3 root x plus 5 into x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus equals to root 2. Okay, that is the answer. Next, Swati can row her boat at a speed of 5 kph in still water. If it takes 1 hour more to row the boat 5.25 kilometers upstream, then to return downstream, find the speed of the stream. It means she rows a boat at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour in still water. Okay, means speed of the boat is 5 kph. Okay. Now what? It takes 1 hour more to go upstream, means against the stream, then to come with the stream. And what speed she is going, what distance she is going? 5.25 kilometers. Okay. So speed of the boat in still water 5 kph. Distance equals to 5.25 kilometers. Time upstream equals to time downstream plus 1, right? That's what is given. So speed of the water equals to 8 kilometers per hour, let's say. So speed upstream equals to, here water speed is a and still water speed is 5 kilometers, right? So speed of the in upstream will be what? Against, it is going against, so 5 minus a, and speed downstream equals to 5 plus a, right? Okay. Now what? Now we have to compare times, because it is given that time is important. This equation we have to focus on. So time upstream equals to what? Distance is same upstream or downstream. So 5.25 upon speed upstream, that is 5 minus a, equals to again distance upon speed downstream plus 1, because it's given 1 hour more. So it's now simple, solve this. So 5.25 upon 5 minus a equals to 5.25 plus 5 plus a upon 5 plus a, right? Solve it, cross this. So 5.25 into 5 plus a equals to 5 minus a into 10.25 plus a, right? Okay. So 26.25 plus 5.25a equals to 51.25 plus 5a minus 10.25a minus a square. Solve this bracket, you will get the same answer, equals to 51.25 minus 5, and this becomes minus 5.25. To watch the videos further, kindly download Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.